Hi, Sunil here. Right now we are discussing about frame tag. Of what is frame tag? So in HTML5, frame is going to obsolete, and I also read so many documents in which analysis that after some time maybe a web community not able to use frame, but in all of frame we are just use inline frame most, and maybe it has a future support by the web developer. So on the point of view of education, so I have to talk about this, and it's my responsibility that I will tell you that what is frame exactly, and then on the later classes we will discuss about inline frame. For example, whatever you is watching this screen, one web page, second web page, and the whole box is our browser. You have to consider this, and topmost box, that is this one, is our one web page, and this is second web page, and this is third web page. So different web pages we are going to insert in one browser, so you can visualize different web pages will be visualized in one web page in a single web page. How it can be possible? How you can got your different web pages in the one screen? So this is very helpful with the help of frame. So we just concentrate on our practical video. So let's start our practical right now, how we can create this and what the tag we are going to discuss about it. So to discuss about frame tag, we have to just create those lines that we are going to writing in the previous video, and here we are also going to write, that is our HTML. Then we have body, we have a head. Then we have to close our head here. Inside the head we are going to use title here, and then we are going to close our title. Here we are going to write our web page name, that is frame. Then we're going to declare our body. I close my body here, and I close my HTML here. So how we have to create our frames? So to use frames, we never use body here. Frame is also a body, so we never ever use body here. Instead of body, we are going to use frame set, in which we will add the frames one by one. So I am using frame set, and my set should be row. You saw that saw the screens where I showed you that one web page, second web page, third web page. If you are not able to visualize, I will tell you. So all web pages are in the row manners. First row, then second row, then third row. So we are going to declare our frame in the row manners. So you got the idea? We will go our text editor. So frame set, and here I am going to declare row. I use equal to. So I gave 30% our browser screen to my frame 1. Then I'm going to declare 30% to frame 1, and remaining is 40%. So I cover up all the 100% screen. I utilize the 100% screen. So 30 goes to first frame, and another 30 goes to the second frame, and 40 goes to the third frame. So this is the screen browser height. So I close my frame set here. So to add your web page, we use frame src source, then equal to, then double quotes here. We close it. So we use this, and then we are going to use, or we use copy and paste, or you can say we are going to use our code. So I paste it here 3 times, one by one. So here I have to declare 3 web pages. So if I go to my HTML folder, I already created so many images, means so many web pages here. I have admit card, I have first page, formatting, heading, so many. So I'm going to add table, then I'm going to add a nested list, then I'm going to add admit card. So I add 3 web pages in my frame. The first one I'm going to unordered list.html, then I'm going to use admit card, then we have table also. So first I'm going to use unordered list, then second one is table.html, then third one is admit card.html. So here is my frame set. I have a frame set. My frame set will be declare my frames in a row manner. So my first frame should be the unordered list.html, second frame table.html, third one is admit card.html. So how it looks like, we are going to save our file, Control S, and we are going to save our file in desktop in HTML where all the files exist. So I'm going to declare frame.html. I'm going to use row frame.html. Name is your choice, but you shouldn't declare .html. So I saved it. I minimize this. I already opened my HTML folder. If you are unable to find out where it is, so I'm going to double click here HTML, and this is my HTML folder. Here I used row frame. So this here I open with the Mozilla sheet, then you can see. So here is the 3 frame. You can watch this. If I small that, so I am going to use 3 frames in my browser. So this is my first file, that is I'm going to use an ordered list. This is my table file, you can see this, and this is my admit card file. If you're not aware where this file is come from, please watch my previous video. I created this practical before in previous video, so from is already created, so I just linked in frame. So you need 3 files to make to complete this practical. So I already had, so I linked this with the help of frame. So you can see this, you can use this. So this is frame. I'm going to adjust the size of my frame, so it will take 20% size, and it use it's used 30, and I'm to create it 50. So I changed it. I go to my browser, I refresh it, you can see the changes. So we can also increase our size and decrease the size of a particular frame. So I did it. I hope you will understand what is practical about and how you can make it possible. So thanks for watching this, and next video is totally based on our frame, and which shows our data in a column manners. So thanks for watching this video.